Welcome. In this video, we're going to dive into three highly undervalued stocks as of September 2024. These companies have strong potential for growth, making them attractive options for investors looking for hidden gems in the market. Remember, these stocks are currently trading below their fair value, so it's worth taking a closer look. Also remember, this is not financial advice. The information is general in nature. Always do your own research or consult with a financial advisor before making any investment decisions. First on our list is CrowdStrike Holdings, Inc., trading on the NASDAQ under the symbol CRWD. CrowdStrike is a cybersecurity powerhouse, providing innovative security solutions to businesses around the world. As of mid-September 2024, CrowdStrike is trading at around $268.72 per share, significantly below its 2024 high of $398.33. What's driving this price? Despite insider selling and some legal issues, CrowdStrike's earnings growth has been stellar. The company reported a net income of $47 million in Q2 2024, compared to just $8 million a year ago. CrowdStrike is forecasted to grow its earnings at an impressive 35.84% annually over the next 3 years, supported by its strategic partnerships and product innovations like Falcon Go and Falcon Complete Next Gen MDR. With cybersecurity needs on the rise, CrowdStrike is well-positioned for future growth. However, risks remain. CrowdStrike faces increasing competition in the cybersecurity space, and insider selling has caused some volatility in its stock price. Next up is Zillow Group, Inc., trading on the NASDAQ under the symbol ZG. Zillow is a major player in the real estate market, operating through websites and mobile apps that provide services to both buyers and sellers. Right now, Zillow is trading at about $60.63 per share, which is substantially below its estimated fair value of $104.33. That's a whopping 47.9% discount. Zillow has faced some tough times, including struggles with its iBuying business and the broader challenges in the real estate market. However, the company has made leadership changes and strategic moves to improve operational efficiency, with a forecasted annual growth rate of 11.1%. As the real estate market stabilizes, Zillow could be poised for a rebound. However, Zillow's future remains tied to the real estate market's performance. Any further downturn in housing demand or economic conditions could impact the company's recovery. Our final pick is XPeng, Inc., trading on the New York Stock Exchange under the symbol XPEV. XPeng is a Chinese electric vehicle manufacturer, specializing in smart EVs equipped with cutting-edge AI technology for autonomous driving. Currently, XPeng is trading at around $8.75 per share, but its estimated fair value is $11.60, giving it a 24.6% discount. XPeng has been aggressively expanding its product lineup, with new models like the Mona MO3 set to boost sales. The company's vehicle deliveries have increased significantly, and revenue is expected to grow at a rate of 25.5% per year, well above the market average. While concerns around shareholder dilution exist, XPeng's advancements in AI technology and the broader EV market's growth make it a stock to watch. Risks for XPeng include strong competition in the EV market and regulatory pressures in China, which could affect the company's future profitability. And there you have it. 3 stocks that are currently undervalued in September 2024. Whether you're looking at the booming cybersecurity sector with CrowdStrike, the recovering real estate market with Zillow, or the innovative EV industry with XPeng, these companies offer significant growth potential for the future. As always, do your own research before making any investment decisions. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more stock market updates. Remember, this is not financial advice. The information is general in nature. Always consider your own personal circumstances and consult with a financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Smart Market Watch for more stock updates.